In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a teacher or student. Easy guide. By the end, you'll have a simple structure that keeps classes, tasks, and exams in one organized place, so you can focus on teaching or studying instead of chasing deadlines. Start by logging into ClickUp and opening your workspace. Think of the workspace as your home base. If you're part of more than one, double-check you're in the one you'll use for school so everything stays together and easy to find. Next, create a dedicated space for school. In the left sidebar, choose New Space, give it a clear name like School or Academics, and, if you'd like, add a short description to make its purpose obvious. Click Continue, then Create Space. This is where all your lists and tasks for school will live. Inside that space, create lists for each subject you're handling. Things like math, science, English, and history. Consistent, clear names make it easy to scan at a glance and to filter later when you want to focus on a single class. Now add 2 more lists just for exams, one for midterm exams and another for final exams. Separating them gives you a focused view of high-stakes tasks and keeps your subject lists clutter-free. Inside each exam list, create tasks for the specific exams you'll take or manage, such as midterm math or final history. Use a consistent naming format so tasks sort nicely and remain easy to scan. Once your exam tasks are created, set start and due dates based on your syllabus or school calendar. If you already know the time, include it to keep your timeline precise. You can even pick a quick preset like next week, then choose the exact date on the calendar. Due dates surface your exams in ClickUp's calendar and make communication much smoother. Add your day-to-day student or teacher tasks in the space as well. Type in each task. Make the wording precise so no one is confused, and keep going until everything you need is listed. Assign the right people to each task by selecting the relevant assignee. To collaborate, share tasks with students or teachers by inviting them by name or email, or copy a task link to send directly. Customize your workflow with statuses. Click New Status and add what you need, such as finals or department names. Then save. Entire departments can be represented as statuses if that helps you track work cleanly. Save your changes to lock them in. Finally, set priorities. Mark truly time-sensitive items as urgent so important work stands out. That's the streamlined setup for using ClickUp as a teacher or student. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more practical guides.